Packing can be your favorite part of the trip as it means you're this much closer into being in a new environment. However, for those of us who find it a bit daunting, there is some good news here. Tortuga has introduced a new set of accessories designed to streamline your packing process and enhance your upcoming adventure. Let's check it out. Tortuga is well known for their lineup of backpacks, and one of our presenters, Kate, recently did a video on the Tortuga Travel Backpack. Their style of products lean more towards keeping the features up and the weight down. After doing my research on this brand, I was surprised to find out that they have transitioned their product line to all use the same material. With the industry standard of Cordura, Codra, X-Pack, and many others, they have chosen a different fabric called SHELL200. Comparing it to X-Pack VX21, which is seen on a ton of different products, it's 40% lighter, more durable, completely waterproof, and 100% recycled. The big selling point here is probably how lightweight it is. Building a backpack out of this really lightweight material gives you the option of decreasing the overall weight of your pack. At the end of the day, I want the weight of my bag to be from the things I'm carrying, not from the bag itself. So if a backpack company can do that, I'm all in. All of these new accessories use the same SHELL200 material. We have the travel pouches, passport pouch, tech organizer, and travel sling. The fabric has that same crosshatch design found in X-Pack, and it's very malleable. It's a triple layered material, so it can offer a good layer of protection for your gear and keep water away as well. Starting with the travel pouches, they come in a pack of 3, giving you a lot of options to organize your gear. The small pouch measures 20 centimeters in length and 12.5 centimeters in width. The medium comes in at 22.5 centimeters by 16.3 centimeters, and the large pouch comes in at 25 centimeters by 20 centimeters. On the outside, we have a single layer of their SHELL200 fabric. We have a single zipper opening at the top with their own Tortuga branded zipper pull, a black Hypalon Tortuga logo on the bottom right, and a nice nylon loop that acts as a zipper pull. The interior is this light gray grid pattern, which makes it very easy to find your items in the dark. I love how flexible these pouches are. You can stuff them to the brim, and as long as you can close it, you know exactly where it's going to be and nothing is coming out. You can have a dedicated snack pouch on your flight or use it to store all of your cosmetics and makeup. The possibilities are truly endless. You don't really need to be going on any fancy trip either to use them. I can see a ton of uses for them in everyday life, like holding my pencils or pens, or being a dedicated toiletry bag. If you have a lot of small items that you want to keep together, these pouches will help you with that. And the fact that they come in all of these sizes means you can group those small items into its respected pouches and never lose them again. They fit very well in almost every bag, and because of its flat design, you can slide them in and out effortlessly. Next in line is the Tortuga passport pouch. This handy accessory designed to keep your passport and other important travel documents safe and within reach. Please don't be that person that puts their passport in their pants pocket. You're just asking for it to get lost. This pouch is made with the same SHELL200 material and measures 13 centimeters by 9.5 centimeters and has a flat profile. It has an L-shaped zipper to make it easy for you to take your passport in and out, and it can easily fit multiple passports too if you are traveling with your family. This is also a great pouch to put cash and coins into because of its size. The zipper can just be opened at the top, and from there you can dig your hand into it and grab any cash or change. In almost every trip I go to, I always have to hold on to ticket stubs, receipts, or cards, and instead of having to put all that into a random pocket in my bag, I can put it in a dedicated pouch just like this. The next accessory from Tortuga is their tech organizer. In a world where we bring a ton of tech with us on our travels, we also need to bring chargers, cables, and batteries to keep them all juiced up. This is a great little pouch to put all those items into. It's made out of the same SHELL200 material and measures 18 centimeters in length, 15 centimeters in width, and has 9.5 centimeters in depth. If you're looking for a little more padding here, this might not be the pouch for you. Like the other accessories I've already gone over, Tortuga really let the material be the star of the show. You aren't getting much structure in this pouch, but it can stand up on its own next to a laptop or your table side. I'm glad they added zipper pulls on either side of the zipper track because of how lightweight this pouch is. Dual zippers give you the option of opening the organizer from your preferred side or just from the top. When you open the pouch, you have the same light gray interior, which makes finding your gear easier. Inside the layout consists of 2 stretchy mesh pockets that can fit my Nomad Slim charger and my earbuds. In between, they have sewn a zipper pocket that acts as a divider in the pouch. This keeps larger items from moving around and segments them easily so you know exactly where each item is. The zipper pocket down the middle can be used to put any smaller items like SD cards or flash drives that you don't want moving around or getting lost underneath the larger items.
Towards the other side, they have added elastic loops to keep cables from unraveling in your pouch. There's quite a bit of stretch here, so as long as it fits the height limit while standing upright, you can slot those items into the elastic as well. Lastly, there is another zipper pocket along the wall that can be used for any other accessories. I do think a handle would have been nice, especially when the organizer is fully packed out. Something about just grabbing the pouch from the excess fabric feels a bit off.
Overall, I actually like the form factor and size of this pouch over other tech organizers I've tried. Some organizers can be incredibly over-engineered on the inside, and when I have a lot of stuff to carry, it gets really bulky and makes it hard to put in my bag. I honestly don't need too much protection for my tech accessories because my bag usually has enough padding for that. All I really need is a single pouch that can fit all of my tech, that way I can grab and go whenever I want, and this definitely does the job for me.
Last on our list of accessories is the travel sling. I do love a lot of things about this bag, but there's one thing that's a big con for me. Let's take a closer look. Tortuga has made a sling bag using this SHELL200 fabric, which acts great when you are out and about. It's both durable and waterproof, and if you get caught in the rain, you know your gear will stay dry. This is an all black colorway, so it can fit in about every outfit. It has very minimal branding with just a Tortuga logo in the middle of the bag and branded zipper pulls. But just be warned, the zipper pulls do make a lot of noise when they touch. The sling measures 23.5 centimeters in length, 15 centimeters in height, and has 7 centimeters of depth. It's a 2.5 liter capacity and comes in at only 230 grams.
This is a great size to bring as your personal item on a trip. A tip I always give people is to combo a sling and a backpack while you're at the airport. It won't be considered a second personal item. You have easy access to all of your items at the airport, and once you get to your destination, you can take off your backpack and just use your sling as your everyday bag.
The travel sling can be worn across your body or around your waist. As much as people hate the look of having a fanny pack around your waist, I think the functionality and overall comfort is a lot more important for me. With the 230 grams in weight, you barely feel it, so it's a great bag if you don't really carry a lot. Sadly, the strap is probably the weakest point of the bag. It uses a single Woojin magnetic buckle, and I think for a sling that will be on your body for the majority of the day, the buckle is not safe enough for me.
Now look how easy this buckle comes undone. Now, if I'm in a crowded subway and someone knocks on this buckle, my whole bag's coming undone. And that's not great if you have all your essentials in there. So I do hope that Tortuga changed this buckle in the next iteration, as there are a ton of magnetic buckles that are a little bit more secure. Even the original side release buckle would be a lot more secure than this one.
The back panel is made out of an EVA foam, and they have these divots in the middle of the panel. Not really sure why they are only in the center here. I would have liked them scattered throughout the back panel if its use case was for airflow. Then again, the bag only weighs 230 grams empty, so it's still very lightweight. Now let's get into the sling. There are two compartments, both come with AquaGuard YKK zippers to prevent water from soaking your gear. I always like when slings come with a back panel pocket, as I use it primarily for my valuables like a phone or wallet, and the pocket is pretty large to fit even more. The main compartment has dual AquaGuard zippers and almost opens fully. There's a little space at the bottom so your gear doesn't completely fall out when you open the bag fully. Inside, you have quite a bit of dimension for your gear. Towards the flap, there is a zipper pocket that can be used for valuables or just smaller items you don't want to get lost. The side closest to me has two stretchy mesh pockets, great to put my earbuds or a charger. There's also a sewn-in key clip if you want to latch any keys to your bag. And that's all you're really going to get from this sling. Larger items can fit in the main cavity of the sling, and it just becomes a dump pocket for any loose items you acquire on your day out.
I like that Tortuga has kept things simple with this sling, as I know a lot of people don't really need a single pocket for everything. Some companies like to overcomplicate things, and it usually makes the user experience much worse, so simple is sometimes better.
Now, if Tortuga decides to change the magnetic buckle, I can definitely recommend this bag for your next trip.
I hate having items in my pants pockets, so being able to have a sling that can empty those pockets out is a great thing. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope you found it informative. Tortuga has made a great range of staples that will definitely help you on your next trip. These will make the packing experience a lot more bearable and overall take the stress away from your vacation. My name is Zach from Rushfaster, and if this is your first time here, we do guides and walkthroughs bringing you better gear and better weights to carry. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other videos. We have a Rushfaster newsletter that we send out every 2 weeks that offers some great content in the carry world and also some giveaways as well. If you are from the US, check out our new US Rushfaster store, rushfaster.com. We sell a lot of gear that we feature on the channel, so if you're from the US and want free shipping, check out the link in the description. I'm sure the videos at the end will interest you, so I will see you there.